Hey guys, it's Steven back here with another ThreadBeast unboxing. So I did a contest last ThreadBeast unboxing and I got a great turnout, so I'm going to do the same thing for this video. So keep watching towards the end of the video. I'm going to give some more details on that contest. Alright, let's go ahead and open this one up. Okay. Got some more stickers. I need to probably put these somewhere. I was looking at my closet yesterday and it was like stuffed with these stickers. Alright, first up in the box, got a Levi's t-shirt. Okay. So solid white, red logo. Nothing on the back. Yeah, I mean the shirt is alright. I don't think I wore anything Levi's ever, but I guess you can pair with some jeans or whatever. I didn't even know they made t-shirts. Alright, after that, got a GM like sweater. Got little polka dots of white on a like a navy blue. It says Chevy American Muscle. Got some stripes on the sleeves. It's long sleeve. Got some blue accents around the collar. Nothing on the back. I don't know how I feel about this shirt. It's kind of weird. Alright, next up, got a diamond. Got a diamond long sleeve. Oh, it's almost like an outdoor shirt. I've seen some people wear this where it has like this mesh netting on the back to where air can come in, or a breeze, kind of keep you cooler in those summer months. So summer's right around the corner, so I'll probably be wearing this. Got a small diamond print with a front pocket. It's buttons. Well, I've never worn a shirt like this. So I've seen like fishermen wear this shirt, people that are outside wear this shirt, so I don't know, I'll give it a chance. Looks pretty comfortable. This is probably the most practical item of clothing I've gotten from ThreadBeast, so I'm looking forward to wearing this. Alright. Next up, but you can see it has Diamond Supply Co. with a couple flags. One's gray, one's a little darker gray. Has white on the sides with the small diamond logo right there. Actually, pretty cool hat. Also, I do not wear these hats. They look kind of funny to me, but I'll give it a chance. Oh, way too tight. I want to make this hat a little bigger. My big O head. Yeah, I mean, I'd give it a shot, I guess. So maybe you could wear it if you're expecting a little bit of rain or sprinkling. You know, it won't ruin your hat. So this is practical. More practical clothing by Diamond. It's not raining in here, but I'll still wear it. No, I won't. Alright, got some diamond socks. Keeping up with the trend of me getting socks in every ThreadBeast box. Kind of this blue and white with the diamond across the top. Looks pretty comfy. Alright, and that's it for this box. So let me start off by saying this is not a paid advertisement. I'm not receiving these boxes for free from ThreadBeast. I'm buying them. So some details on how ThreadBeast works. You have 3 tiers. This one is Essential Plan. It's the middle plan. Then you got the cheaper tier and a more expensive tier. I think this one is probably the best value you get. It's $85 a month. The cheaper one is $55. The more expensive one is $135. And I think with the $135 one, you might get maybe 2 more shirts. I wanted to make this video a little bit different from the other ones because some people can't afford $135 a month to spend on clothes. I know I never spent $135 on clothes. So I think $85 a month is pretty good, especially for the value you get. I mean, all this clothes, if you go to the mall, you'll easily spend like $150. But if you have any questions, just comment down below and I'll make sure to get to you. So I'll talk about the contest for a little bit. I was so happy with the turnout that I got for my first contest here on my YouTube channel. I think I had about 130 entries, and I said I'd give away 2 items of clothing if I got 150. I went ahead and gave out 2 items of clothing to 2 lucky people. But if you didn't win last month, just enter again. Just enter the contest with the link down below, and if you're already subscribed, that's already a vote for you. But if you're new here, just click the link in the description and follow a couple of instructions and you'll be entered to win. I got about 50 people that entered the contest, so your odds of winning are pretty high. So the contest will run for about a month, and at the end of the month I'll email you and I'll give you some choices on some shirts, or if I don't have your size, I'll send you a snapback and that fits everyone. But if you subscribe, thank you so much. I really appreciate this. I'm really trying to get the channel going. I really like doing these ThreadBeast unboxings. These are by far my most popular videos. I do vlogs, I do gameplay videos. I have a Twitter, make sure to follow me there. So just subscribe and stay tuned in for more. As soon as the last contest ended, the next one started. So there's constantly a contest going on. Even if you see this video 4 or 5 months later, there's probably a contest still going down. And I'll update in the description, there's another contest. And I'll make sure to put the updated link. And you just click on it and enter the contest. But really, I want to thank you for viewing this video and supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. Alright, and I think that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Alright, and I'll see you in a little bit. Thanks.